In under 3 minutes, you'll hit every major muscle in your body. No equipment, no gym, just 5 simple moves. You don't need fancy gear, just gravity and a little grit. Think of it as your daily, full-body recharge. Fast, efficient, and brutally effective. Because today, we're talking about calisthenics, the art of building a powerful, functional, superhero-level body using one simple thing. Calisthenics sounds fancy, but it's really just training using your own body weight. Think push-ups, pull-ups, squats, planks, dips, simple movements that use gravity as your gym partner. And here's the cool part. It's not just a workout, it's a skill. You're not only building muscle, you're mastering control, balance, and coordination. Starting with calisthenics is like starting on easy mode that secretly turns into superhero mode. You can train anywhere, bedroom, park, office, even your kitchen if you're brave enough. And unlike heavy weight training, you're less likely to hurt yourself because you're learning how your body moves naturally. All right, let's talk moves. These 5 are your foundation. Master these, and everything else will follow. Push-ups. Start with knee push-ups if needed, then work toward full ones. Keep your body straight like a plank. Bodyweight squats. Sit back like you're about to take the world's most confident chair. Planks. The secret to rock-solid core control. Start with 20 seconds and work your way up. Pull-ups. Can't do a full one yet? Jump up and lower yourself slowly. That's where the strength is built. Dips. Keep elbows close, lower with control, and push through your palms. Here's the rookie mistake. Chasing numbers instead of quality. Doing 20 bad push-ups doesn't make you strong. It makes you sore in weird places. Focus on form first. Move slowly. Control your body. Remember, every rep done right is a rep that rewires your strength. And when you start feeling shaky, congratulations. That's your body upgrading. Here's a simple beginner routine you can start today. 3 rounds. Rest 60 seconds between rounds. 10 push-ups or knee push-ups. 15 squats. 20-second plank. 10 dips, 30-second rest. That's it. It might look easy, but trust me, by round 2, you'll be questioning your life choices. And by round 3, you'll feel invincible. The magic of calisthenics is progression. As you get stronger, you don't just do more, you do harder versions. Push-ups become diamond push-ups. Squats become pistol squats. Planks become dragon flags. Pull-ups become muscle-ups. Each move is a new level. And every level builds not just strength, but skill. When you train with calisthenics, you're not just building muscle. You're learning how to own your body. You'll move better, feel better, and look like the version of yourself that could casually lift a couch if needed. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, it's right now. No dumbbells, no machines, just you versus gravity. Start simple, stay consistent, and soon you'll realize your body isn't your limit. It's your weapon. Hit subscribe to Major Muscles, where we turn science into strength, one bodyweight rep at a time.